Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of VJ Show English Show, and it's about day 65 of VJ Show English Show, and welcome back. And it's a warm and fresh beginning for today's, right? And it's after being 24 hours being covered that we have been met. Last we met us yesterday at the same time, so it's been what a day come after. We are just focusing on the next episode. So as we are getting into it, we are just losing any of the seconds. We are just moving over to the first segment, which is vocabulary bank. And as you know, as that I don't have that kind of new fresh vocabulary, so we are just planning to do some review over the past vocabularies that already been taught in the previous episodes. So without losing that, we are just moving over to that segment, which is reviewing. And harbinger, a signal that something is going to happen. Saccharine, extremely sweet in taste. Delicacy, extreme care in handling something. Pluviophile, a person who deeply enjoys the rain. Felicity, intense feeling of happiness. Serene, calm and peaceful. Quintessential, most essential. Nemesis, rival. Lagniappe, small gift given as a sign of gratitude. Liquacious, extremely talkative. Angle, bargain over a price. Immerse, involve deeply in an activity or dip completely in a liquid. Impel, drive or urge to do something. Endeavor, try hard to achieve. Infuriate, make angry. Glimpse, a brief or partial view. Clinomania, intense desire to stay in bed. Eloquence, speech having persuasive quality. Epoch, a long period of time. Ephemeral, lasting for very short period of time. Oblivion, state of being unaware of what is happening around you. Cinderella, a tiny amount of something. Assimilate, become similar. Hinders, stops or prevent. Nonchalant, and it means that not caring or cool. Ambiguous, not clear. Scoffed, to make fun of. Retrospect, looking back with wisdom. Rejuvenated, alive again. Resilient, easily recover from difficult situation. Spur, spontaneous. Slouch, not sitting straight, and that's all. And we are just winding up that segment, which is vocabulary bank. And we are just moving over to the next segment, which is on fire. And today's I don't, as usual, I am just repeating the same phrases, and that is the I don't have much specific topic to discuss with. So I am just going with one review over the Hollywood movie, which is Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and it's totally with the main cast is being acted or characters are being played by two of the famous actor or actresses, actor and actress, and it's about Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie, and it's totally what a thriller like an action, what drama, everything included in that, and it's completely a combined of some other some many of the genres. So it's totally I totally enjoyed the movie. It's not about any lagging in any of the portions of the whole movie. So I totally enjoyed the way they present the content, and it's not about what it's totally a simple thread. So, but it's actually I think around 2 hours, and it's totally what interesting for the or we can get that kind of enthusiasm over the movie all the time. So it's something which every filmmaker is wish to do. So it's something that I totally enjoyed it, and it's a nice thread which the two of them are getting married, and without knowing that they are actual professions, they are just lying or making what a false statement over their profession before the marriage. After that, getting into marriage, or after do what getting married, they are doing their own family activities. Then they what actively known about their each other's profession. That is, they both are assassins, or they are uh, paid uh, murderers or killers who can be raised and can be assigned a job to do, to whether it should be but murder any person or what, or kidnapping, anything like that. It's completely on doing any task which is not a usual one. So they are being trained for them the specific task, so they're being paid for the job they are doing, and it's completely hiding for them first some minutes. So after that they are getting known, and the they both have the same task to do. So at that time they are completely fighting each other, and at last they find out that within them they have the actual romance or the love, that they have to stay close enough to live together as well. And after all they just plan to live together at the last, and that's the climax. So I totally enjoyed the way it presents, or how it, the most essential thing is that we don't want to be bored or want to skip any of the scenes, right? And here the filmmaker completely wins, or win-win situation is there, that I don't even for what run over some scenes or not, nothing like that. So I just totally enjoy the whole movie, and it's something that I totally enjoyed. And after that, that I just watched the movie what a few hours before, so I totally enjoyed it, and it's became that much what immersed into it. That way I can explain this much. So it's totally liked it, and after that I just downloaded another Hollywood movie, which is the Ocean 12. Yesterday I just downloaded Ocean 11, and they both are still unwatched. So if time is allowed, I will just watch the both films, as well as we are just moving over to what watching other movies as well. So I think, yeah, tomorrow is the day where one Mollywood movie is getting released, and which is Cold Case, and it's something a thriller or suspense or some investigation movie. So I will just go for some downloads over the Mollywood movie tomorrow. So that way I just lose the data, internet data for tomorrow's what period. So after that, later on we just focusing on the future days, or future days, that I can download furthermore Hollywood movies as well. So that will make me that much confidence over the language as well. So today I just watched the Mr. and Mrs. Smith without any subtitle. So it's much more but a tough job. So, but I am completely coping with that. Somewhere the audio is not much what audible to me. It's because I don't even use the headset. So I have to be involved into that what movie or the scene. So somewhere I just lost some of the focus over the movie. So at that time I just don't even listen or even uh, hear the dialogues. So somewhere there is some missing. So it's not only not about the film's mistake, but it's completely what intentionally I am just made that error or the mistake. So I don't want to blame any of the film officials to take on that burden. So it's totally fault from my side. So I totally claim that. After that I just have to, I am just always looking over to that monitor screen. It's because what the time is going above 10 minutes or not, but currently it's not being beyond the 10 minutes. So I am just looking over to so many times. It's because after what average of 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then I can wind up the show, right? And it's because I don't even getting any much topic to discuss with. That's why I am just lagging around some irrelevant topics. It's because what I don't have focusing on any other specific topic. It's because I don't even like that kind of what political kind of reviews or any suggestions or opinion. It's because I totally actually we all have some what destiny, right? and we have to do that. And if Pinarayi Vijayan is the Home Minister or Chief Minister, or sorry, Chief Minister of in Kerala Assembly, and he is an individual, right? He is the same human being as me, right? And he is sitting at the Chief Minister's chair, and I am sitting in my home chair, right? The term difference is that the chairs are different and the powers are different, and he is doing his job. Then why would I just claiming or complaining about his task? He actually do his task, right? If he is not capable of that, he won't be do that job, right? He has that kind of desire that he can actually do the jobs or the services to the entire state in a well-being, right, in a well-desired manner, and he has that desire, and we don't want to blame or complain, but we have to find out that leakages, right? And there is so many individuals or the opposition leaders are there or opposition parties are there, and they will find that kind of what minute mistakes that they are ruling political party uh, being committed, and they will find out and they will state in the assembly itself, so that but the human beings or the community itself is completely focusing on that kind of what that kind of eagerly waiting for what making that kind of fun of any trolling everything they are doing. It's because they are enjoying that kind of small silly cracks jokes, and it's shortly what it's nice that we are just shaming or abusing ourselves, right? We are just abusing a mistake that has been done. Currently it's done by some other people, but tomorrow they can be committed by ourselves, right? So we don't want to brush up or want to fall fond of our mistakes. We are tend to do some task on daily basis to accomplish our needs, right? We are only focusing on our needs, and we don't want to acquire, or we are completely selfish, right? We have that kind of self-respect, self-confidence, everything on particular time, and we are just completely focusing what the aim of our life. Can you predict that in or present? It's completely what we are just focusing on the luxuries of the universe, or the some items or the some things that fascinate ourselves to stay in this universe, right? If someone is hungry due to some lack of foodstuffs, then they have that kind of luxuries to imagine or dream of 3 times a day of a good food or good stuffs. This is not same as some other individual who has that kind of well desired white collar job as well as some enough status in this society. Then he has some more what aims to accomplish in this universe, right? And this is different in each and every human perspective, so we have to accept or respect each one's view of point over the existence. So everyone is looking forward to their own existence, right? Everyone is completely focusing on their family or their only existence. Completely in Kerala we can see completely focusing on the family based attention, right? The relationship is completely closed over to the family, and everything is there, the friendship, love, everywhere is there, everything is there, but at last they are completely wound up over a completely a small compact package which is their family, and they are completely doing everything for their family. Some exemptions are there, but totally professional wise what they are completely sacrificing, or we can see that in modern or the currently running society, we can see father and mother, they are completely sacrificing everything to attain their children's the well educated uh, education, as well as well dressed clothes, and as well as the best food. So everyone, it's because they are completely known the hurdles or the sacrifice that they are being focusing on or being done in their childhood as well as till now, but they are not even trying to what not want to do the same thing to their children. It's because the passionate love or compassion over the what the real love we can see from their behavior. That's the reason why children are always that kind of thoughts with regard to interclose to it. If any emotional situations is there, they will overthink or think over the after effects to their parents as well. So it's because we in Kerala we are that kind of what invisible chain or completely cabled over some what intangible or some something like that stuffs which completely wound over some circle or some unique pieces. So in a family based life we can see we are just having that kind of fun, but the in my only it's completely on my opinion, right? It's my side. That is it's about what we have that kind of. It's not like that in America or Africa. Everything everywhere in Europe, basically on Europe countries we can see it's totally in a variant situation. It's completely, but they actually enjoy their own life. If a husband and wife, they totally enjoy for a limited age of life. They will feed their children. After that they want to find a job and do their own needs or satisfy their own needs. That's a way they live in. So at the old age itself, the husband and wife is planning for their old age period as well. So they'd want to take their life into a risk situation. So it's shortly we have to we just copying everything from European countries. Not everywhere. Are you listening from any other nation? I am not blaming or complaining of any of nation, but in Kerala, completely focusing on India. In my opinion, right? So we are just copying everything from European countries, and we are completely what abandon our culture that already been there or here, which we have that kind of traditions, right? In Kerala, there it's why we can call Kerala as a God's own country. It's because the greenery or the completely traditional way of living that we have once we have, but it's completely going back or completely going abundant or declining due to some what modernization or infrastructural development, or it's completely changing and we are adapting very great or status oriented adaptation. But it's not like nothing like that. But if any father or mother is completely sacrificing, this is not the way you have to do your life. It's because they have their own life, right? They have to work on their own. Then only they will be what competitive over the society. You don't want to feed for some age, but I am just blaming myself. It's because I have completing 27. I am still don't have that kind of job. I am still depending on my father salary. So I'm looking forward to that to get a job. But it's not a good thing that I am just what expecting a job, anything like that. But don't want to tense or completely on that. I our completely focus on that kind of way of thinking. I am not even going for changing your mental stress or mental kind of thoughts. I am just pointing my own views with regard to certain topics. I have that kind of perceptions over some topics or ideas. So I have to discuss in any of the media or any of the conversation, right? That's the only reason why I am just presenting here. So hope that you will consider this as a my view of perceptions over some uh, areas. That's all, and don't want to take it as serious. But if anything is worthful in here, in this, just think over that. That's all. That's the only thing that I am just focusing on. So we are just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 65 of Vijay Show English Show, and here Jiding signing off. And bye for now. See you. Bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye. Tata.